Step inside this beautiful home and be greeted by soaring windows that flood the space with natural light, complementing the open concept design. The chef's kitchen is a true delight, featuring classic white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and an oversized eat-up island, perfect for cooking and entertaining. The adjacent dining area provides beautiful nature views and access to the back patio for seamless indoor-outdoor living. The formal living room boasts a cozy gas fireplace and breathtaking views of the acreage and creek, while the formal dining room offers ample space for hosting larger gatherings. A private den makes for the ideal home office, and the main floor laundry and full bath add to the home's functionality. Upstairs, the luxurious primary suite is a true retreat, featuring a tray-ceiling walk-in closet, and a newly remodeled ensuite bath with dual sinks, quartz countertops, a tiled shower, and a separate soaking tub. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are generously sized, each offering ample storage and sharing a Jack and Jill bath for added convenience. The professionally finished lower level expands your living space, showcasing a bright family room with daylight windows, a fourth bedroom, and plenty of storage with built-in shelving. Outside, you'll find breathtaking natural beauty and abundant wildlife in your own private oasis with over 1/4 mile of frontage on Flowerfield Creek where you can fish for trout right from your own yard. All appliances are included, and for added peace of mind, this home comes with a home warranty. Things to note: 1 owner home, American Village Builders was the builder, complete perimeter drain system was installed when built and the owners have never had water intrusion.